Insurance of vehicle. Vehicle insurance and its necessity. A vehicle insurance policy is a mandatory policy issued by an insurance company as part of prevention to the general public from any accident that might take place on the road. The vehicle insurance is necessary to provide financial protection against physical damage and/or bodily injury resulting from traffic collisions and against liability that could also arise therefrom. Classification of risks. Vehicle insurance covers the two types of risks which are as follow. 1. Damage to own vehicle. The damages to vehicles due to the following perils are usually covered under own damage policy. 1. Fire, explosion, self-ignition, lighting. 2. Burglary/housebreaking/theft. 3. Riot and strike. 4. Earthquake. 5. Flood, storm, cyclone, hurricane, tempest, inundation, hailstorm, frost. 6. Accidental external means. 7. Malicious acts. 8. Terrorism acts. 9. Landslide, rock slide, etc. 10. Loss whilst in transit by rail, road, water, lift, elevator or air. 2. Third-party risks. Section 140 to 144 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 provides for compensation on the principle of no-fault liability. Section 140 of the Act provides for liability to pay compensation in certain cases where death or permanent disability of any person has resulted from an accident arising out of the use of a vehicles. The owners of the vehicle shall jointly or severally be liable to pay compensation. The liability is determined as per the provisions of the Act. Third-party insurance is a statutory requirement. Driving without third-party insurance is a punishable offence as per Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. Classification of motor vehicles. The motor vehicles can be classified into four broad categories which are as follow. 1. Private cars. Private cars are used for social, domestic and pleasure purposes and also for professional purposes of the insured or used by the insured's employees for such purposes, but excluding use for hire, racing, pacemaking, reliability trials, speed testing, etc. Thus, a private car is 1. Owned privately. 2. Registered under private carrier. 3. Not used for transportation of goods commercially. 2. Commercial carriers. Commercial vehicles or carriers are those which run under the commercial carrier permit. These vehicles are used for commercial purposes. These may be public carriers, private carriers, goods-carrying motorized three-wheelers or motorized pedal cycles. There also include passenger-carrying vehicles. Thus, a commercial carrier may be 1. Goods-carrying vehicle. 2. Trailer. 3. Vehicle used for carrying passengers for hire or reward. 4. Registered under commercial vehicles permit. 3. Two-wheelers. Two-wheelers are those vehicles which are with or without sidecar and are used for social, domestic and pleasure purposes and for professional purposes of the insured or used by insured's employees for such purposes but excluding use for hire or reward. Racing, pacemaking, reliability trials, speed testing and used for any purpose in connection with the motor trade. 4. Miscellaneous and special type of vehicles. All other types of vehicles which are not included in any of the above category are included in this category. Thus, these include agricultural and forestry vehicles, mobile shops and canteens, cinema film recording and publicity vans, delivery trucks, pedestrian-controlled trolleys and goods-carrying tractor and trolleys, vehicles used for driving tuitions, fire brigades, salvage corps vehicles, etc. These also include mobile cranes, mechanical naves, shovels, grabs, rippers and excavators, bulldozers, bull graders, forklift trucks, dragline excavators, site clearing and leveling plant, etc.